Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. And as you see in the video clip, um, I'm here right now to pick up the parcel coming from Secret Lab. It's a gaming chair, and we will just do some basic review. This is this is the order of my colleague back in the Philippines. So I'm just, helping him in order for him to be sent to to our country. So before anything else, intro. Guys, here's the chair. So here you have it, guys. It's so big. But it's kind of exciting. I'm quite excited as well on behalf of my colleague. So what I'm going to do is I'll go ahead and because I have no choice but to open it, repack it in a different box, and then I'll go ahead and possibly deliver it by this coming Thursday. So for now, it's kind of heavy. And it's no joke. But we will do some basic unboxing and review. Okay? So there you have it, guys. As you can see earlier when I did the unboxing, those are the different parts of the Secret Lab seat. And just to give you an idea, the one that I unboxed earlier, that's what you call the Titan 2020 series. And specifically, that is the Secret Lab soft weave fabric. So that is a different variant of the Secret Lab chair or chairs. And just to give you an idea, I'll just provide you basic specification about the Titan 2020 series in general. So again, if we will start, and I'll show it to you in the screen, the model, again, it's a Titan 2020 series, because guys, there are two kinds. One is the Omega series, and this one is the Titan one. So that's the model Titan 2020 series. Foam type, this is the Secret Lab cold cure foam. So very technical, but that's the internal description for Secret Lab. Frame construction, it's steel. Based on my own experience when I hold it earlier, indeed, it's a very high quality, strong steel. What are the available upholstery under the Titan series? We have the Secret Lab Prime 2.0 PU leather. We have the Secret Soft Weave fabric. This is the one that I unboxed. We have the Secret Lab Napa leather. We have the machine embroidery. We have also the 4-directional full metal mechanism, or what we call the soft PU coated. And just to give an idea, what about the armrest pad? Like, say for example, this is the armrest. When it comes to the armrest pad size, it's 27 centimeters length and 10 centimeters width. What about the adjustable armrest? It's like what I mentioned earlier, it's a 4-directional full metal mechanism. Then the logo stitching is technically, it's purely machine embroidery. Although in the soft weave, you cannot see it, but if you will look closer, you will see that there's a big Titan letter T logo on that. And then, and again, it's a machine embroidery. What else? The mechanism type, it's a multi-tilt, so very high quality. When you say multi-tilt, like in a simple chair, you can do this, you can do this, and then you can basically hold or recline the backrest. And again, it has a tilt angle lock, and there's a hydraulic gas piston. It's a class 4, so meaning it's the highest piston when it comes to work chair, gaming chair, or any ergonomic chair, especially under the Secret Lab Titan 2020 series. What else? The chair, the seat back style is full length backrest. So meaning, for the Omega, it's more on in terms of height of a person, technically from 4 feet to 5.5 feet when it comes to the height of the person. But for the Titan, it's much bigger. It's ranging from 5 feet as a person and up to 6 feet, because there will be a release of a new Titan, but it's what they call the Titan, I think that's the XL, or it's the much larger headrest. So, but for this one, this is the standard Titan series. What else? Recline tilt unlock. It's a high grade spring. So then also there will be a free head pillow. It's a memory foam with cooling gel. So as you can see in the initial video or in the video clip, courtesy of Secret Lab, the extra pillow, it has what we call like a gel type, so that it will not create a friction or heat. So it's a cooling gel type of protection. What else? Lumbar pillow, integrated adjustable lumbar support. So in your lumbar part, so it's very integrated, and it's really shaping or adjusting to your body structure, regardless of your part of your back or your waist side. So that's it. The baseline is technically it's an aluminum alloy, the highest form, the 12 aluminum alloy. And then the caster size and material, it's XLPU coated. So meaning regardless of the different variant of the Titan, that is what we call the XLPU coated. And then assembled required, yes. So personally, once you receive it, once you order this specific chair, you will assemble it manually. You're the one who will, and you don't need to worry. There is a step-by-step how to assemble it, and there's a very infographic kinds of steps how to, or instruction how to build the specific chair. And then lastly, the package size is 85 centimeters length, 71 centimeters width, and 37 centimeters when it comes to the height. And then total weight for the Titan 20 series, technically it's a total of 35 kg itself. But one thing for sure, it can carry a specific person up to 135 kg. So it's very strong, durable, and it can handle the pressure or the weight up to 135 kg. And then this is one thing for sure, it has a 5-year warranty. And then lastly, recommended height. So like what I mentioned, in centimeters, it's 175 to 200 centimeters. So roughly like what I mentioned, from 5'5" to somewhere in 6 feet is the most. But if you're, I think, 6 feet and above, there's a different Titan series, which is, I believe, like what I mentioned, the Titan Pro, which is eventually, it will be available soon on their website. So there you have it. So that is the Titan 20 series under the Secret Lab. So this is the new variants of this kind of chair. Again, it's not only for gaming, you can also use it for work, for your personal use at home. And again, this is a high quality brand kind of chair. Okay, so I hope you like this video, and always remember, do not forget to like this, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. And next time I will also review another gadget, maybe this one. So again, without further ado, thank you very much. You do have a great day, and always remember, eat, vlog, sleep, repeat. Have a great day.